What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to change the background colors sections, okay? So on Elementor plugin, as you can see into this page, we have the footer into this blue background color and the section right here made using Elementor using a blue color as well. As you can see, it's not very good because colors looks equal. How to fix it? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, all you have to do is enter if your domain name on the browser address bar plus WP admin or WP login and enter with login credentials. After this made, go to the page, refresh the page, and you're gonna be able to see into the top of the page toolbar a button called Edit with Elementor. Independently of the theme that you are using, you always gonna have this button. Wait while Elementor section loads and find the section where you would like to change the background color. In my case, is this one right here. I'm gonna click with the right button over the section and click on Edit section. Now we have to see into the left sidebar of menus, Layout, Style and Advanced. Go to Style, and right here we can be Normal and Hover. Go to Normal and we have background type, Classic, Gradient, Video or Slideshow. Classic. Then we have color. You can choose a custom color of the site, or you can select and change the color in the way that you need. I think this one is okay. Here is the new background color. Now imagine that I would like to change the color of this text right here. No worries. You can go to the text, style, and right here you're gonna be able to see the options to change the color on title, in the case that you want to, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!